Oh yeah, that's
supply
good.
of Essential Boost vitamins for women. And
Real
it gets
good.
even better. Call now and you'll receive
like
Easy
this.
Curves for only $9.99.
I might even
That's
call.
Right, only $9.99. There's no greater feeling of being
Might
able
even call
to
right
get
now.
into a bathing suit and feel good.
I want to get in my bathing
Call
suit.
1-800-905-3596. That's 1-800-905-3596.
All right, let's do this.
When the chefs need to impress, don't stop Richard.
Commercial clock.
What?
What the hell's wrong with my TV? Repairman. God damn it. Yeah, can I get a TV repairman down here? Quick service. Hello?
So, the TV needs repairing. Let me have a look at her.
Oh boy.
Wow. Let's go.
What the world needs now is love, sweet love. No, not just for some, but everyone.